Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop notifications on Chrome on a PC or laptop. And if you find this helpful today, please either like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what I'm going to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And what we need to do is come and click the three dots up here, up in the top right hand corner, and then just come down and click onto Settings. From here, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, what you need to do is click onto Privacy and Security. And then what we're going to do is click onto this option here, which says Site Settings. Then all we need to do from here is just scroll down slightly and you'll see under Permissions, there's an option there which says Notifications. So if you go ahead and give that a click, and from here you can actually choose which websites you want to receive notifications from and which ones you want to block. So from this page, what you need to do is actually scroll down, and under Permissions you'll see there's an option there which says Notifications. If you go ahead and give that a click, and this way you'll be able to actually block or allow notifications from. So all my websites that I'm allowing notifications from are down here, and all the ones that are blocked are up here. So to stop receiving notifications for a certain website on Chrome, what we need to do is locate that website in the Allow list, and then click the three dots over here, and then we're going to go ahead and click Block. If we want to change that and allow notifications again, then all we need to do is come to the block section, click the three dots, and then go ahead and click onto allow. And that's it. That's how you block notifications on Chrome. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.